Hello and welcome everyone to my channel Skanda Prasad. So this video is about the most important chapters for physics, that is for KCET, and not just for KCET 2020, it's in general for like any year, maybe even for 2021 and 2022 also this will work. And here I've analyzed approximately 2-3 years paper I just saw, and then the most frequently asked chapters, what and all are there in physics especially. I'll do for chemistry and mathematics later. So these 10 topics, if you are pretty thorough with these, then I'm sure you will get approximately 45 to 50 marks easily without any problems. So before I get into the topics, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done it, and like, share and subscribe obviously, and to share it to your friends also, so that even they get to know what and all are the most important chapters for physics for KCET. So the first thing is mechanics. I'm going by not exactly chapters, I'm going by topics. These topics will either include a few other topics or not. So in general, when I say mechanics, it will include motion, motion in a straight line, motion parabola, that is your projectile motion, all that motion. Then NLM, that is Newton's laws of motions, and then work, energy, power, rotation, circular motion. All of these are all together called as mechanics. So similar things you will even study in your engineering also if you come in first year, that is engineering mechanics. You will study along the similar lines, moment of inertia, everything. So all of these come under mechanics. If you are thorough with mechanics, easy questions only will come. It won't be much difficult. So it will around fetch you maybe even 5 to 6 marks, I would say. Depends on the year, but that is one thing. Next thing is current electricity. This is also very important. Around 3-4 questions come from this chapter, including capacitors, not just resistor. Resistor network will come, or capacitor with any voltage, and then ask you to calculate voltage across the something else, and then the galvanometer to ammeter or voltmeter conversion, and then current in a branch or anything, resistor network, anything like this can be asked. All of this comes under current electricity. So if you thorough with this, another 4 to 5 marks you'll get here. And the other thing is gravitation. Gravitation, around 2-3 questions might come, including graph questions. Like they'll ask a question and tell you which graph satisfies this condition, so like that, and then maybe even formulae. So that is the third one, gravitation. The fourth one is magnetism. Magnetism includes magnetic materials and current, moving charges. That one. So that includes, in general, it is magnetism. You should study about the magnetic materials, their susceptibility, or ferromagnetic, diamagnetic, all that. So those, and then magnetic field due to moving charges, current, and then straight line, and then the force due to this thing, the left hand thumb rule. So all those things study under magnetism. So this was the fourth one. The fifth one, according to me, is wave optics. Yes, wave optics is also very important. Wave optics includes polarization, those type of questions. Polarizer is kept at some angle, and then YDSC, especially YDSC. At least 1 or 2 questions will come on YDSC. And mark my words, even one question on Fraunhofer diffraction. Diffraction is also another topic. So all these come under wave optics. So study these. Another 3 marks will be guaranteed here. The other most important thing is, this is not in order. I'm not telling this is the highest marks and this is the lowest marks. In general, these are the 10 topics. So the sixth one is electrostatics. Electrostatics include calculation of electric potential or electric field, or even force due to electric charges. And they'll ask you like 2 bodies of charges. They have some separate charges. They are brought into contact and then kept again separately. What is the force now? So such kind of questions, anything like this. So practice such kind of questions. Practice in previous year papers also. You should be getting. There will be many questions. Yeah, I can't find the book. So that is one thing. Next thing is radioactivity. Radioactivity in general includes calculation of T half, and then rate constant. Also radioactivity includes, they'll ask uranium and all these reactions also sometimes they'll ask. So all these come under radioactivity. The 8th one is waves and sound. Waves and sound also includes motion on that string, and then calculation of tension, and then so those things. And sound waves includes pipe, organ pipe, and then a string. So all these. The ninth one is modern physics, all about atoms, and then energy, and then time periods. All these come under modern physics. That was the ninth one, very important. And last one is thermodynamics. So this around 1 or 2 questions come from this, which will be usually based on Carnot engine and then efficiency. That's it. So not more than this. So this should be all for physics most important chapters. I hope you like this video, and then do practice from these. Around 45 to 50 marks will be guaranteed from these topics if you study. And then like to wish you all the best, and this was my analysis. If you have anything else to say, you can comment it in, below in the comment box. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.